Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to go incognito and privately browsing with your Brave browser. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. With that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Brave browser. I'm going to simply open up my Brave browser. Then after you open up your Brave browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on these three dots from the bottom. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on new private tab right here. So click on that and it's going to take you right here. Then you can start to browse in private mode, just like so. So whatever website you visit right here, it's going to load up right here and all your detail is going to be in the private section. Then furthermore, in a private mode, you can also come to the top right here, click on the logo of the Brave, then go to advanced control right here and then do some settings right here, such as block all cookies. So make sure you click on block all cookies right here and click on done. Then you can go back to the icon again and go back to advanced control. Then right here, make sure you browse with your secure network. Click on HTTP and make sure you click on require all connections. You have this, then click on done. You are good to go. So right here, so you can continue to browse as many as possible. You can also come down below right here and create as many as possible private tab for your browse. It's as simple as that. Okay, so basically this is how to simply use incognito in Brave browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.